Have you ever seen a milk carton or a cereal box, or for that matter even biscuits, with a little F logo, or it's written fortified with vitamin A, D, calcium, iron, etc. Or sometimes it's as simple as iodized salt. What they all are doing is they are fortifying their products with important vitamins and minerals and making them more nutritious. On the Good Tiffin, I will show you how to do this in your own kitchens using simple nutrient-rich ingredients. I am Rachna, a chef, food therapist and nutrition educator, and I'm bringing you the Good Tiffin packed with easy, tasty and fortified recipes on YouTube every Friday at 4 p.m. starting 26 February. So see you all there. Like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and never miss a single easy, healthy and delicious recipe from the Good Tiffin.